this show is completely different than all of the shows that we do. It's the biggest show in the whole United States. I would like to promote my Toyota Land Cruiser in the middle of the booth.
This is so exciting. I'm super excited about this.
Here at Ricoma, we're always coming up with new things and new projects. And today, I have a very important project to assign. All right, Carl, thank you for meeting with me today. I got a new project for you.
Another one, huh?
Yep, another one. But this one is very exciting, especially for me that I like cars. I'm a car enthusiast, so I'm very excited for this one.
When I heard Miguel was looking for me and he wanted to talk to me, I knew something big was gonna happen.
So here's the thing. This show is completely different than all of the shows that we do. It's the biggest show in the whole United States for our car customizations. And I wanna make sure that we are the best booth in the whole show.
Okay, what's the show?
So it's called SEMA. It's in Las Vegas, very exciting. What I would like to do is, I would like to promote my vehicle. I want to have a Toyota Land Cruiser in the middle of the booth, and I want to do printing in everything that we can on the car to showcase to these people. How does that sound?
When I first heard the word SEMA, I was like, dude, I had to compose myself, because if you don't know what SEMA is, you've been stuck under a rock. It sounds great, man. You know, I've, as a car guy myself, SEMA is one of those things where it's like the mecca of, you know, if you're a car guy, you know what SEMA is. So this is so exciting. I'm super excited about this.
Good. So you tell me what we gotta do. The car is outside. I would like to essentially put some vinyl on the outside so that we can use our vinyl cutters.
Yes.
Also, I mean, I want you to see the inside, and maybe we can do some carpet, maybe we can do a couple of things inside to make sure that everyone knows what the machines can do.
That's cool. Listen, I've got a couple colors that I'm gonna run by you. Let me go get them real quick.
Okay.
And I'll see if you like them, and then we can talk about it. All right, give me a second.
I'll be waiting, okay?
Okay, check this out.
Awesome. Oh, wow, okay.
So we've got this matte orange.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be really cool because it goes with the Ricoma colors.
Absolutely.
We've got this nice glossy white and this nice, it's kind of like a matte grayish.
Okay.
Because since your car is blue and gray and it has that white, this is gonna kind of tie everything together. We've got the white for the columns, you know, between the blue and the gray. This is gonna match the top, so we're gonna bring elements from the top to the bottom to the top, and just kind of go crazy.
When Carl brought the vinyls, I knew right away that he understood the idea.
And since it's the Land Cruiser, we're gonna kind of do an overlanding theme.
Yes.
You know, maybe do some topography and stuff like that on it. I think that's gonna really look cool. So I'll talk to Rob to see if he can like do the final mock-up for it.
Okay.
And once I have that, I can take it to the cutter and just get them cut. But this is what we're dealing with right here. I think we keep it nice and clean, nice and simple. I might throw in a couple extra things just in case. So I'm gonna surprise you.
Okay, good, man, good. I'll be excited to see it.
I've got some ideas.
All right. Show me, man.
The most challenging part is that SEMA is right around the corner, and we have to make sure that we get this car out real quick. Since we're using a variety of different sizes in the vinyl, the RCP 6301 plotter is gonna do great because it can handle up to 24 inches of vinyl. And you can find it at shop.ricoma.com. So one thing that you want to keep in mind when you're cutting the vinyl for the car, especially when you have all these designs, is you want the design to extend past the car just a little bit so that when you're applying it on the actual vehicle, you don't cut short. When you're doing images that are large like this, the weeding part, you have to be somewhat meticulous. You just can't start ripping the vinyl out. You got to take your time. Always have your weeding tool in your hand so that the minute you see something start to lift, you can just kind of temper it down, make it go, and then you can lift. So take your time when you're weeding and try to do little sections at a time. When you're applying the transfer sheet to the vinyl, it's really important that you apply the transfer sheet very slowly and evenly, because if there are bubbles in your transfer sheet, you're gonna have bubbles in your vinyl. So you're gonna lay your vinyl out on a table, and you can tape the sides, and you're gonna peel back the backing off of the transfer sheet, lay it down, and then just start using your squeegee little by little, inch by inch, until you get to the end. Don't just like peel off the backing and stick to it, because you're guaranteed to get bubbles. All the cutting has been done, the weeding has been done, the transfer tape has been applied to the vinyl. Now it's time to put it on the car. You know, I've put a lot of vinyl, but I've never done an entire car. So what I wanted to do in order to work myself up for it and kind of practice, if you will, don't tell Miguel that, but I started by using just a little pieces first so I can get the feel for it, get the hang for it, and then I saved that last big topographical map for last because it was just so big. And I just wanted to make sure I had enough practice under my belt so that when I got to that, I was okay. And I really felt really confident doing it. So far at this point, all the little designs have come out great. However, with the topographical map, that one posed many different challenges that I wasn't expecting. The transfer sheet, you know, if you're wrapping a car, you can stretch the vinyl, you can heat it, but when you're applying that type of vinyl with the transfer sheet doesn't stretch, so you have to be really careful. So I had to get Ashley to help me, and even Don Mario kind of put his hands in there and he kind of helped me. So it was all hands on deck so that we can get this thing to look just right. So all the vinyl's done, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the look on Miguel's face when he sees what we've done. I can't wait for you to see. All right, let's turn around right here. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
All right, take off your blindfold.
Wow, that's amazing, man. You did an awesome job, man. When I saw the final design, I was blown away with the results. Was it difficult?
Just this part.
Okay.
But everything else was caked.
Wow, I love the color combination. The orange and the blue. I think the orange stands out
I think it looks
nice.
so cool, man.
And all of our logos here, that's amazing, man. That's awesome, I love it.
When I saw Miguel's reaction, I was so stoked. I was like, I knew he loved it. You know, it was like a baby in a candy store. He just loved everything about it. It was amazing to see how much he liked it. And I'm really proud of all the work that we did. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we're putting up next great content. Hello? Miguel? Okay, I'll be right there. Here we go again.